just a little bit of water.
Nå har vi kina vel?
Ja, antageligvis. Har ikke fått startet, og så har den bare sugd.
Ja.
So, well, you just saw Tom and Rolf taking the engine out and putting it in here at the workshop. And it's not looking good. We expected that because we tried to turn the engine around when it was in the boat. So you turn it around manually and you can sort of get a sense of the status of the engine. And the worst thing is when you can't really turn it around, because that means that the pistons are stuck, most likely. This is not something we're going to fix because we don't have time to do that, and it's going to be way too expensive for the customer. So sometimes we just have to evaluate, and if we can, we sell the customer a new engine, which gives him, so many benefits. But in this particular case, we have an engine that is used and that we know will be perfect for this guy. And yeah, so this engine will probably just be thrown away. That's the way it is sometimes. All right. So, this engine right here is the one we're going to replace the other one with. It's a Yanmar 3 GM. Perfect for his boat. It's about 28-30 horsepower. And these engines are really good. I mean, Yanmar, they make solid engines. It also has fresh water cooling. So you got the salt water and the fresh water cooling. And that's what you want. So this one is used, but we have checked all the main checkpoints, so we know it's going to be great. We got a few things we're going to deal with, and then we're going to try to put it in not too much time. The customer, he was just here talking about it, so we are excited about this. I do love my coffee breaks, but even better than this coffee break, I'm actually going on a big break right now. Even though I do have a few projects going on right now, it is off season, and in off season I like to travel. And this time I'm actually going to Indonesia, Lombok. It's an island east of Bali, and I am really excited to check it out. So my girlfriend and I, we are actually leaving right now.
Baby, cry.
Alright, so I'm back from vacation, and the moment I'm back, I see that Tom has already put the engine in the boat and the customer is coming soon. So I kind of missed that job, but there's more to come. So let's see how it looks. Gjør det. Alright, so after the test drive with Tom, the customer is now out there with Tom to test the boat. And the engine sounded nice. The boat is a bit weird. They're trying to maneuver now. We'll see how it goes. It's quite difficult to maneuver. Yeah, so hopefully the customer will be happy about this.